Hi, Dave here from RC Pilots. Today we're reviewing this very nice little micro camera, the Firefly, attached to one of our favourite small gliders, the A800. There's a series of attachments that come with it. The cat isn't included, by the way. We put the Apple up there beside the plane just to give you an idea of how compact that camera actually is. It records full 1080 and 720. When you got a blue light there, that's recording at 720. You just press and hold the button for a second and it switches to the full 1080. Tap it again to record. Flashing green light, she's recording. There's probably plenty of footage out there of daytime use of the camera and the plane, so we said we'd check out some nighttime flying. And here it is. So first impressions is that you can see stuff, but it is very, very grainy. That's only natural. There was next to no light whatsoever there other than the street lights on the right. So you're going to get a lot of that colour noise as the ISO on the camera is jacked up to try to capture some light. Whether you consider that too much, that's a matter of opinion. So the footage you just saw there was the raw footage with nothing done to it. This is with a little bit of editing, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes if you're interested using some editing software. Back again now to the unedited footage where the camera is attached to that A800, as we said. We attached some small lights, LEDs, to the underneath of the plane. That's where you're getting that sort of nice greeny, reddy hue off the prop. We try some other software settings, so you could get a slightly better picture. And that's it with the colour sort of crushed. We've toned down the brightness to try to eliminate some of that noise. So you'll see here, this is it with the adjustment on, this is the adjustment off, and then the adjustment back on again, and off again. So impressions are, number one, it was a great deal of fun flying the plane by night once we had some bit of lights on it for reference. As regards this little camera on the plane, would I recommend it? I think it does a very, very good job for a very small camera. You can see what's around you. I could identify the lights around the place, especially when you're flying a little bit more slowly. You can see the trees, the street lights, the reflection of the radio control down there at the bottom. Once you get any bit close, you begin to pick up the grass. So overall, I think for the money it's absolutely worthwhile. I'd be happy to recommend it. As for any software editing, this is Premiere Pro, if any of you use it. In this instance, you'll see a duplication. I just doubled the clip, made the underlying clip, put a little bit of Gaussian blur in it. And on the top one then, I just put a little bit of overlay. So that gave us our darker effect. The other option then was to literally just duplicate the clip and apply this overlay filter on it. And when I did that, that seemed to darken things down as well. So there are two sort of simple options. But regardless of what software you have, I think if you're using if you want to look at any nighttime video footage on any type of basic camera, there's going to be a lot of noise, and unless you're prepared to pay a good bit of money for various programs out there such as Neat Video, which does a brilliant job, maybe a simple way around it is just to crush the colours, darken the dark colours, and that can help reduce a little bit of the noisiness that's in your video. In this case, I just also pulled down the vibrance colours, again just to darken out the video to give that effect. Hope you found that useful. And please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.